Hello everyone, welcome to video Introduction to Blockchain. I'm Satya Karki. I work as a blockchain developer. This video will cover what is blockchain, what are the different types of the blockchain and purposes of the blockchain technology, what are the future scope of the blockchain and how we can implement the blockchain in the gaming and the other use cases of the blockchain technology. So let's begin with the introduction of the blockchain. Blockchain is one of the fastest growing cutting edge of technology. Many enterprise and the corporate organizations are looking into the use cases and implementation of blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed ledger which keeps all the transactions, and transaction in blockchain is immutable. Once the transaction is done, we cannot reverse it back. In blockchain, the cluster of the data is kept in a block that has a unique identifier and a history. Blocks keep transaction information, for example, the date, time, amount, and the digital signature of the user. Blockchain is connection of network of devices such as computers, mobiles. One device is considered as a one node. Blockchain is a decentralized solution that uses a decentralized database, and the application based on the blockchain we call the DApp, decentralized application. And if the application is related with the finance, then we call it DeFi, decentralized finance. Blockchain uses consensus rules to make sure the data is consistent across nodes. It uses cryptography, which ensures the participants to trust the data. Let's come what are the types of the blockchain. Generally, there are four types of the blockchain. The first one is a public blockchain. It is decentralized with no single authority on the network to control it. All transactions in this type of the blockchain are visible to the any node and anyone on the network. The first blockchain network was created for the Bitcoin, which is a public blockchain. The second blockchain type is a private. Transaction is not feasible to any node on the network in this type of the blockchain. Only if we have a trust on the participants, then we can invite some participants to access the information stored in the blockchain. This type of the blockchain operates under the control of a single entity and is considered a closed network. The third type of the blockchain is a hybrid blockchain. By the name, it's a combination of the private and the public, where we can keep the some processes or information private and the others as a public. In this blockchain, members can decide who can participate or which transaction to make a public or a private. The last one is a consortium blockchain. Consortium blockchain is known as a federated blockchain. It is similar to the hybrid blockchain, meaning that it has a private and the public blockchain features. It's the combination of the private and the public as like a hybrid. However, in this type of the blockchain, multiple organizational members collaborate on the decentralized network to form a chain. So now let's come why we need the blockchain and how the blockchain has been evolved. There are several purposes of the blockchains that helps and build the better system. For examples, I would like to highlight the few of the them like the security. Blockchain provides the better security. Blockchain is decentralized. There is no central authority to control the data and the application in the blockchain. Blockchain provides the privacy. The transactions are transparent and blockchain provides the trust. That's why the blockchain is evolving and solving the day-to-day life problems. And blockchain increases the trust, security, transparency, and the traceability of the data shared across the node. Furthermore, let's talk about the future scope of the blockchain technology. Blockchain experts, developers will be in a huge demand in the future. Now also they are in the huge demand. There will be the huge research and the PhD positions for the blockchain in the future. Presently also you can find the several research positions for the blockchain technologies and the smart contract developers. In the future, there will be the more implementation of the blockchain in banking and the finance. Smart contracts for the better law and the regulations will be implemented more in the future. There will be the blockchain technology implemented in the government sector in the future as well. There will be the more national cryptocurrencies. Additionally, there will be the more companies and the solutions based on the blockchain technology. Finally, I would like to say the blockchain will be implemented for the Internet of the Things connections as well. So, the future scope of the blockchain is good. So, we can learn and explore the blockchain technology. So let's come to how we can implement the blockchain in the game. The GameFi is a combination of the two terms, gaming and the decentralized finance, DeFi. It is also referred to as a play to earn P2E games. Blockchain will change the way games are created, managed, and played in the future. When we use the blockchain in the game, then the system is decentralized. Means that the game is not owned and controlled by the central authority, but by the players and the users who possesses the digital assets and the game objects. Blockchain can be used in gaming for buying the sword, sealed prizes as a crypto, charging the entry fee from the crypto wallet, and many more purposes. So let's come to the use cases of the blockchain, where and how we can implement the blockchain, what are the sectors there we can use the blockchain technology. So blockchain can be implemented and used in the international trade and the commodities. It can be used in the supply chain, energy, digital identity management, Internet of the Things. In government sector and the projects, we can use the blockchain. In healthcare and the medicine, we can use the blockchain. Similarly, we can use the blockchain in automotive, gaming, NFTs, DeFi, and the crypto exchanges. We can use the blockchain in the finance and the banking, and we can develop the DeFi, decentralized finance applications, and the many more. The use cases of the blockchain are not limited only to the areas that I have mentioned here. We can brainstorm, you can also do the brainstorming and innovate the ideas to implement the blockchain in other sectors or the other fields as well. Hope you have got the idea what is blockchain, its purposes, use cases, and the future scopes. That's all for this part of the video. Thank you.